Hi everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix Facebook pupg login problem. To know how to fix Facebook pupg login problem, you should just go to settings like this. You will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Facebook and you will enter. Then in this page you will go to click force stop. Sorry for that. You will apps and then you will click here Facebook. After that, for stop, and when you will end this you will go to click storage. Then in this page you will click clear cache, and here you will go to click clear data, and after all that you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.